So today we are going to discuss the question set 17, ABMS question sets. So we have already made 4 tables according to the previous questions. Now let's see what we have to do with those 4 tables. So they're saying what is the relationship between the student table and the subject table. So if we look at the student and the subject table, we have to first find what the relationship is. So if we take one student can study many subjects. And if we take one subject can be studied or can be learned by many students. That means there is a many-to-many relationship between these 2 tables. They ask, can this relationship be in the databases? Normally, this relationship cannot be in the databases because if there is a many-to-many relationship, there will be an extra table added. So we can see that using this. I'm going to make this a many-to-many relationship, and as you can see, a new table has got created called student has subject. So that's why the many-to-many relationship cannot be on a database. Instead, there will be another new table created, and these 2 tables will be connected as one-to-many relationship for the new table. So we can remove the primary keys. So it's non-identified now. And that is how we create a many-to-many relationship. The third question says change the name of the table created above to student mark exam mark record. So double click on this and we can put student exam mark record. We can close that. And then they're saying create a relationship between the student exam mark record and the exam term table. So if I close this, okay, here is my student exam mark record table and the exam term table. So over here, there will be marks of the students and the exam term and the date. So one exam or one mark will belong to one term, but one term can have many marks. So that makes it a one-to-many relationship. So one mark belongs to one term, but one exam term can have many students' exam marks. So this is a one-to-many relationship. And then we have the 5th question where it says add a column called mark to the student exam mark record table. Change the data type to double. So let's add that as well. Mark, and the data type is double. Okay, right. And then we have to create a relationship between student and class. So the student is over here, so let me move that aside. Okay, so one student will belong to one class, but one class can have many students. So that's again a one-to-many relationship. There's many is students and the one part is class. This is how we create the relationships between these tables. And next, let's see what to do in question set 18. Thank you for watching.